जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो आई हैड अ क्रश ऑन माय really close friends crush.
Kriti, have you triangle since you asked Rashmika that?
What does that have to do with sleeping?
I think the
What are
movie
you trying
will
to
tell
say?
us more. You're giving away too much.
She was just trying a smooth transition.
Ah, settlement.
Let it be.
Help me out here. Dinesh has already taken us off track. I love this.
Well, I think जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो I had a crush on my really close friends crush. So it wasn't really, but I didn't do much about it. I wasn't like Ali. क्योंकि हम ना अच्छे दोस्त हैं. यहाँ पे हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं इतने. So उतने भी अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know. So I didn't do much about it, but yeah, I had a crush. But good, I didn't go for it because that guy turned out to be a bit of a red flag.
You had a crush on a crush's crush.
I had a
Or is
crush
it
on my
not-
best friend's crush.
Girl, okay, that's the tea right there.
This point of view, I think a cocktail is when actually there are two girls involved in life, not in our head, no?
It could be in your head also.
Did it ever happen like?
No,
did
nothing
you ever-
happened between.
Never
no.
in a triangle actually.
No. I just had a crush. Like I was a baby, you know. I just like crushed. on
Shahid,
him,
have
that's
you
about
got stuck in a
Such nice,
triangle?
sweet people on this stage.
I
really
think
can't
Shahid
talk
has
about-
got stuck in a couple of
I really
triangles.
can't talk about everything.
I think you must give us
It is
something
very
spicy
politically
here.
correct for a film that we're trying to make very real and raw and organic. Everybody's very politically correct, so I will also say never. फिर तो मन में भी ख्याल नहीं आया था.
He didn't do a triangle, he did, what is it called? Hexagon.
मेरा circle था मैं, you know. Started from the same place and ended in the same place.
क्या बात.
This life.
That's an LIT situation then. But if
This only I feel.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
From where? Shahid,
I didn't say nothing, guys. Why would I want it that way? I have nothing to do with that. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं rumors? कौन फैला रहा है?
no, but Rashmika, for real, your chemistry with Kriti has been on fire. Like, how easy was it to click into that?
Instantly happened. Instantly, there was no. I think reading was the first time we actually met.
No, actually, we first met when we worked out together in the
workout,
same
yeah.
studio, and I literally died because she works out like a beast, and I really didn't know that.
But instantly, even that day, you know, there was no effort. It was just so easy. And when we started,
Do you think that's the reason people think this is a lesbian love story?
You know, I think it's really
Because of your
sad.
natural chemistry.
But I think it's really sad because, like he said, दो लड़के होते हैं तो ब्रोमांस हो जाता है स्ट्रेट. दो लड़कियां होती हैं तो somehow people don't want to believe they can be friends. या तो इनमें rivalry है या फिर अच्छा दोस्त लग रहे हैं, नहीं तो फिर तो कुछ और चल रहा होगा. So it's really funny.
Okay, let me
and
just clear it up. This is where the rumor came from. We were all sitting on the set. They definitely get a little cuddly with each other because they are friends.